I wish I had known about MAXX Potential, or it had been made when I was thinking about going into college. I'm very thankful for the college experience, but having that on-the-job training would have been pivotal to my career. These individuals get to try out different industry that they were in prior. So a lot of individuals are changing from industries. We have some individuals that are coming out of high school who absolutely have a passion for technology, and they have that opportunity to work with industry professionals such as you and I, and have the opportunity to try out different aspects of IT, which is really cool to me, right? We have individuals who are doing front-end development, back-end development, on down to support desk, QA, robotics process automation. So these are all things that in a normal pedagogy for different educational opportunities like a university, you don't get the trial of those things because it's very software engineering forward. So these individuals have the opportunity to see that there is larger world out there in IT, and they get to try.